Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on their website and also Amazon, and I've included some links in the description that will take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a nice modern task chair, and as you can see, I am sitting in it. So this is by a company called Bosmiller, and the model is the BLM1 chair. It's all made out of a nice soft leather material. It's white in color. It has this very modern look to it. Super, super comfortable to sit in. So let's go over some of the specs and the sizing of this chair. So first off, the seat cushion itself is about 4 3/4 inches thick. So the seat is nice and thick, nice and comfortable. It has a high density memory foam in it, so that way it lasts. You don't feel those divots over time. As far as the chair itself, it's approximately 24 3/4 inches wide, and it's about 33 3/4 inches tall off the ground. The seat itself is about 23.5 inches wide and about 12.5 inches deep. It is rated for a maximum of 350 pounds. That's what it can support. Now, you will notice the chair does tilt back. You can lock that in position. There is a little wand underneath it that will lock it, pull that out, and it will let you kind of turn it into a rocking chair. It has about a 15-degree rocking, and as you can see, it is also swivel. So this chair can swivel 360 degrees. The frame is all made out of metal, and then it can raise up and down based on the lever. It is a gas-based lift mechanism, if you will, and it can adjust approximately about 4 inches in height, which is really, really nice. But overall, it's a very nice chair, very comfortable, fits comfortably in my back. It hits about just a little bit above the kind of mid-back area, and it just looks really, really nice as far as a great task chair. So if you're looking for a chair just for maybe a living room setup, maybe you're looking for a great chair for behind your home office desk, or maybe you want to have this chair at your office, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.